Hi guys, so basically we finna do a volcano eruption. Look. Also, y'all, don't forget your glasses and to put your hair up because it can get messy. So first, this right here, we have a funnel. Don't forget to read the instructions, guys, because you know, oh shoot. Okay, we're just gonna leave it like that. Anyways, I'm gonna take the vinegar and I'm gonna fill it to about 50 meters. So it's basically half between 60 and 40, which is slightly over, so we have to put some back. Perfect, so there we go. About this much. There. So, and then we have we have to do this very quickly. So 3, 2, 1. And there you go. Now it looks kind of pink, so I don't really like that. So if you want to try to do it again, we can. So here we go with one more take of this. And we're going to... Oh, very red. That's like blood red, oh my gosh. That's really cool though. So yeah. As you can see, it's very frizzy inside.